Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
I'm feeling great. Sun shining, like you said,
Always
even though it's
sunshiny,
cloudy
man.
and rainy out there. For some reason, every time I come to see you, Squeeze, it's raining
It's
out
raining.
there.
It's
I don't know.
Is that a bad thing or is that a good thing?
I don't know. I don't really mind, you know.
You know what? Rain or sunshine, for me, it doesn't matter because it's just the Father's way of making sure that the planet is well balanced.
That's it.
That's how I look at it. We need rain. We need sunshine. We need a bit of everything. We need a little global warming to correct the planet. You know, we need everything.
We need everything.
Yeah, you know, the ozone layer's all screwed up, all of that stuff. You know, the ionosphere is all messed up. We got to clean up a lot of things out there. But anyway, you are here to clean up a lot of things.
Yes, I am. I am here to help you clean up what you have on your credit, and I am here to help you clean up these high rate mortgages that you probably have. So all of you that are within ears, with earshot of us right now, give me a call. Even if you have started the process elsewhere,
Right.
give me a call and see how I can help you get the lower rate.
Okay.
I know it sounds kind of, iffy. You probably don't believe it, but
Or you're
yes, folks.
frustrated by everything that you've been through with someone
Yes.
else or elsewhere. But,
Yeah.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers would like to take over that and handle it.
Yes,
Now,
we would.
Did you hear me reading the article from the New York Times?
No, I didn't.
You didn't?
No.
You want me to read it again?
Okay.
All right. See, people think I'm joking when I say I'm an avid reader. I'll let you know this. If I get in the studios and I have not read my New York Times daily, I'm a very miserable man. It's just like not having my Starbucks.
It's like you get that withdrawal.
Yeah, I get that
symptoms.
withdrawal. I know I'm kind of. I think I need help. No, I think I'm crazy. I mean, from time to time, I think I really seriously need some help. I do. Everyone in the studio is shaking their heads and saying yes.
Squeeze.
I do believe I seriously need some help. I think I seriously need to go see a psychologist, not a psychiatrist, a psychologist. I need to see a psychologist. All right, because I think there's something weird with me. But heeding to my my fix, the New York Times,
Right.
and my coffee today, I read about Mr. Bernanke here, and I want to read it again, and I want you to tell me what you deduce from this.
Okay.
All right. If we can only get someone to answer the phone lines. See what I'm telling you, Sandy? This is part of the reason why I get miserable. Hold on 1 second here. Yeah. Hello. May I help you? I'm doing mighty fine, sir. Hold a second. Who's this? Matthew? Hold on. I'm on the air here, man, and I'm just answering the phone lines. I'm just gonna see who's gonna get fired today because I'm in a very bad mood. All right. Hold on. All right. All right. No problem. Thanks a lot. By the way, folks, it seems like it's a one-man operation over here, but there's about 17 people in the studio, so, evidently, after today, we're going to have to replace whomever is answering our phone lines. Seriously, all right? But anyway, let me get back to this here. Yeah, Squeeze is on a roll today. All right. It says here, Fed chief warns of worst times in the economy. No interest cut seen. Bernanke tells Congress growth is likely to slow noticeable. All right. Bernanke, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, told Congress on Thursday that the economy was going to get worse before it got better. A message that received a chilly reception from both Wall Street and politicians. On a day when stock prices swung wildly, the dollar hit another new low against the euro, and further signs emerged from retailers that consumers are growing more cautious about spending. Mr. Bernanke warned that the economy was about to slow noticeable as the housing market continues to spiral downward and financial institutions tighten up on lending. Now, what do you get from that, and what do you think people should do? I already told them early on. What do you get from that? Especially people who have not refinanced yet, who still have their credit card debt, who have not taken any cash out of their property.
Exactly.
Okay. However, they go to sell their property, or they go to take a look at the property value, and they realize it's a lot lower.
It's a lot lower.
So
exactly.
what should people who are out there in a lot of debt, What should people who need a lot of cash, what should people who have adjustable rate mortgages seriously do right now? Seeing that it's not just coming from out of your mouth, my mouth, Scott's mouth, it's coming from the newspaper, it's coming from the industry,
Exactly.
and no matter what people say negatively out there, or people put in the other papers out there, or put on television, this is what's really happening. What do you think people need to do right now?
That is what's happening, and I'm sure a lot of you who have gone to try to refinance and gotten appraisals on your homes, you realize that your house is appraising for less. So now, the paper says it very clear. If you are in debt right now, if you have these high interest credit cards, now is the time to try to refinance that home at a low rate so you can get rid of that. Things are not going to get any better. I mean, you just heard Squeeze read from the newspaper. They're not getting any better. They're going to get worse before it gets better. So refinance right now. Get rid of those high interest rate cards. And that's the only way that things are going to get better for you. Get rid of the debt. If you need cash to do other things, that may not be credit cards, you can still do it through refinance. Take out whatever equity is right now. When things get better, your home is going to increase in equity. So, one thing, kind of outweighs the other.
And also, there are no prepayment penalties with several of the loans that
Absolutely
you
not.
guys do.
Right.
So if people want to pay back into their house once things get better, they can do that.
They can do that. If you hit the lotto tomorrow, you can pay your house and with no penalty whatsoever. So, I mean, give us a call. Even if you've started the process with someone else, find out how we can help you better, how we can give you a lower rate than you've probably been quoted from somewhere else.
There should be a sense of urgency, and that's what it is that I'm trying to get into your heads, folks. There should be a sense of urgency in you picking up the phone today and speak with the leader. The bank that can give you the lowest possible interest rate is First Republic Mortgage Bankers, not brokers, okay? Not institutions out there that is speaking negatively about several loan programs, okay?
Exactly.
No. You need to understand yourself, okay? And right now, I'm saying it to you because I don't want you to lose your house. I seriously do not. I have a passion about home ownership right now. I need for you to keep your house. So with that said, I'm going to get back to the music, but I did tell you. I quoted it from the New York Times. I do hope Bernanke reduces interest rate even lower. However, do not take chances. Let's open up the phone lines. I'm going to let you speak with Sandy right now. She's the loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers who wants to help you right now. She wants to lock in the interest rate right now. So if Bernanke changes his mind this afternoon, too late. We already locked it in.
We have it in.
All right. The number here is 718-325-5555. Give us a call right now, folks. In the studio, speak with Sandy, the loan officer, 718-325-5555. We've got 5.5% for refinancing, and we want to help people in New Jersey, in New York, in Connecticut, in Florida, in Georgia, in Maryland, everywhere. Do not take chances with the feds in any level anyway. So right now, people, give us a ring. In the studios, Sandy, you're going to grab the calls, right?
Yes, I'm going to go right now.
They're all ringing.
Okay.
Once again, folks, we're very serious about it, and I like quoting from the New York Times. I like quoting from the Wall Street Journal. I like taking the facts and giving it to you. I don't just like to talk out of 50 different sides of my mouth. I want to give it to you straight. So, DJ Sean, I need to get you into reading the Times, man. So this way, when we're talking on the airwaves, people don't believe that we're just talking out of our ass. No, we're not. We're talking about what's going on. We're not blowing smoke. No, this is serious. So people, take a look at the value of your house, where it was last year, where it is today. Take a look at your credit card bills, the high interest credit card bills, and what are you doing about it? Take a look at the fact that you might need some cash within the next 3 months, 6 months, and you don't know where to turn to get it. And you can't even get it out of your house. Why? Because the value of your house went down and refinancing might be too late then. Do it now. The number, 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Call the Link Up Radio Studios. I've got to remind you that we do have other loan officers at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, and that number is 718-380-0006. That's 718-380-0006. But why put off what you can do today for tomorrow?